Types of investment banking. Investment banking is a broad term that can refer to several different activities. Investment bankers may specialize in mergers and acquisitions, capital markets, asset management, private banking, or corporate finance. There are types of investment banking. Mergers and acquisitions. This investment banking involves assisting companies in making mergers, acquisitions, or divestitures. Capital markets. This type of investment banking focuses on helping public and private companies raise capital by issuing securities in the primary market or trading existing securities in the secondary market. Asset management. This type of investment banking focuses on managing clients' investments and providing advice on allocating, caring for, and monitoring their capital. Private banking. This investment banking provides wealth management services to high net worth individuals and families. Corporate finance. This investment banking involves helping companies with financial decisions, such as how to raise capital, structure a transaction, and manage risk.